Well, I'm getting closer to getting it done on Saturday. It's 6 o'clock Sunday morning. So, anyways, hey, let's review what we've been doing so we can get A's on the test. Freeze the video, solve, and do this problem, and then turn me back on. Okay, so I'm going to add 6 to every term. Add 6, add 6. So I have 12 is less than or equal to 2x, which is less or equal to 18. Then I'm going to divide by 2. So it's everything between 6 and 9. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Next one. Freeze the video, do this, and then turn me back on. Fractions, easier to get rid of the fractions. The LCD would be 18. So 3 goes in, that'd be 6x. 6 goes in 3 times, that'd be 15. 9 goes in twice. Then 1 times 18 is 18. Subtract 2x. Subtract 15. Oh no, we're going to have fractions. Well, that's okay. Divide by 4. This one, divide by -2. Whenever you divide by negative, switch the inequality. So we have less than or equal to 5. Greater or equal to 3/4. So it's all reals. Yay. Okay, do this one for me, please. Good. Maybe we can just do one video. So, whenever I have a variable inside the absolute value, you have to break it up into 2 parts. On the test, if I put absolute value -5, you will say, oh, it's 5. One answer, because it's a number, not a variable. If I said, what's the absolute value 10? You would say 10. One answer, because it's a number inside the absolute value. But if it's a variable, you have to break it up into 2 parts. That'd be 2 parts. Now, I'm going to take the opposite of the inside, and I'm going to skip a step doing it. So instead of showing the opposite, I'm just going to do it. The opposite of this. Then equals is a or. So I'm going to add 10. Divide by 2. Here I'm going to subtract 10. Divide by -2. Now, since it's equals, it's just a dot. Just a dot. Okay, do this one now for me, please. And then turn me back on. Okay, so I have 1/2 x minus 2 is greater than 10, or greaters, or the opposite. Again, I'm skipping a step. So I'm going to add 2. Multiply by 2. Now, are you actually doing these problems, or are you just watching me while you're playing Minecraft? Whatever that is. Subtract 2. Multiply by -2. So it'd be smaller than -16. Oh. Greater than 24. Oh. Okay. Do this. Now, are you actually doing the problem where you're sitting there eating nerdy, clumpy gummy? Okay, so 6 minus x is less or equal to 6. And the opposite. So I would subtract 6. Take the opposite. Whenever you multiply by negative, you switch it. Add 6. So it's everything between 0 and 12. I hope you're doing this. Okay, last one for the video, the tricky one. We have to get the absolute value by itself before you worry about solving for the absolute value. So we're going to divide both sides by -3. And whenever you divide by negative, you switch inequality. Now notice, if you look at this, you think it's an and, but it's really not, it's an or. That's why this is so tricky, and that's why it's easier just to get the absolute value by itself. So I'm going to get rid of the absolute value, then I'm going to take the opposite. And this would be an or. Add 6. Subtract 6. It's kind of dark in here. I wonder what, well, it's early in the morning. Here we go, take the opposite. So this wasn't too bad for homework, was it? It only took me about 7 minutes, so probably altogether 15 minutes. Anyways, hey, have a good Sunday. Sing to the Lord. And hope the Lions win. Bye-bye.